Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Today is an extremely hot day here in the south. It was already close to 90 degrees at 9:30, and now it is about 12:30, and it is right at 99 degrees, point something. So hopefully it's going to cool off a little bit, but if this is a taste of what our summers are going to be like, man, it's going to be a hot one. And as you can see, the bunnies got their frozen water so that they can stay cool. And they also have their fan running already. But Mr. Penny done kicked his over there. I guess it was aggravating him. But these guys right here, probably just having fun licking on it because it's so hot, cooling off. So over on this side of the bunny barn, we definitely have the fan going already for them to keep them cool. The cool air will run across the frozen water bottles and keep them cooler, kind of like air conditioning. So even though it's hot and it's Father's Day weekend and everyone's excited about doing their little outings and all that stuff, don't forget about your animals. I also have some new little babies on the homestead, besides the ones that hatched out, the ducks that were all over the place, and they're still doing quite well. And as they say, being a homesteader, our chicken math, it doesn't work right. I feel like you can never have too many. Well, you can have too many. So these are our new chickens. They were a straight run, and they are what you call lavender buffs. And they remind me of the doves that I used to raise. And yes, you see, I made them a swing. You can actually buy a swing for your chickens off of Amazon and teach them to do it. But they were already swinging on the food feeder right there. So I said, I'm just going to make them a swing. And believe me, they fight over who gets on the swing. Sometimes there's been as many as 4 on the swing. And I can see them from my front porch, so I enjoy watching them. So I've always had doves off and on throughout my life, many different kinds. I had the white ones, of course, and then I had some chocolate ones. I had some peach colored ones. I had some just regular doves with the ring neck, and I've also had some that were a mauve color. And then I had some that were, well, they're calling these lavender. They're kind of gray. So they do have a purplish kind of glow to them, which is why they call them the lavender buffs. They are a newer breed. Now these are only just still chicks. They're not full grown yet. But eventually they will outgrow this cage. So what I've done was open up one of the rabbit cages and just decided to use it for a brooder because I am not raising the meat rabbits anymore. I just have my little miniature, oh my goodness, my draw blank, my mini Rex rabbits for fertilizer. I wish these would stay this small though. It's so nice and so fun watching them swing, especially when there's 2 or 3 of them up there on the swing. I guess I've had these a couple of weeks now. They were about half this size when I got them. So, just wanted to show y'all chicken math and homesteaders. And if you loved your chickens and animals, it's what's 30 or 40 chickens. It's really not that much. Now, it is a lot whenever you start getting eggs. Now, these guys here have gotten out. I let them free range all over. And, of course, they come over here and see if they can find some of the little pellets and start chick feed for the chicks, and they come over here and visit, and so they're already getting used to seeing each other. Eventually I've decided I'm not going to let them loose with the other ones because I don't want them to have any mixed breed type of chicks. So my plan is to build them their own little chicken house so that they can stay separated. And if there are too many roosters, well, we'll probably just put those in the freezer, unfortunately, because they are some beautiful birds. So I just want to get on here real quick and give y'all a little shout out to everyone. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I do have a lot of stuff recorded and ready to go. I just have to get it edited and get it in my computer and work on it. But I figure I'd just jump on here real quick, let y'all know that I'm doing good. Definitely not going to the doctor every week like I was. Now I'm just getting adjusted to 2 different types of medication that they've put me on. And both of those medications treat multiple things, so it definitely seems to be helping. And hats off, because I am getting more sleep. So I have actually been extremely busy around the homestead because I'm actually getting more sleep and feel like doing more stuff, which I've always still done stuff. I just done it extremely exhausted with lack of being sleep deprived. But I am definitely sleeping better, so that is wonderful. The medicine that they give me for the menopause is helping with the hot flashes and the mood swings and all that stuff, so it's actually leveling on out. And they've also given me some medicine for the nerve pain in my arms, which is, I don't know if they actually diagnosed it as neuropathy, but I've had nerve tests conducted on both arms, and I was just kind of ignoring it and just letting it go because I hadn't been to the doctor in so long. But it is actually a whole lot better. So I am very thankful for the doctor that I was able to find on my own. He has been a godsend. He is totally fine with me using my natural tinctures and herbal teas to help with my health. And now, more precisely knowing exactly what we're treating, I'm able to continue using some of my tinctures, but also going for blood tests every 2 weeks now. It was every week, now it's every 2 weeks for my liver function. So just keep me in your prayers with that. But hopefully all of my numbers will come down. Losing weight is one thing that I have to do for my liver health, and I am so proud of myself. I've actually already lost 10 pounds in about 3 months. So he told me, whatever I'm doing, keep it up so that I can continue to lose a little more weight so that my liver functions hopefully will go back to a closer to normal. It'll never be normal, but closer to a normal level. So we've been just really praying and in God's word and asking for healing in my body. So I do have a amazing praise report to share with y'all. So, we were praying for healing because there were lots of different things going on. And I recently went to my eye doctor appointment just for a normal routine checkup and to get some more contacts, because you can't get contact lenses unless you go and get another eye exam. I know, it's a racket. So anyway, it was time to get more contacts, and so I went to get the eye exam for contacts, and then I always get a pair of glasses too, just for a backup if my contacts are bothering me or whatever. I can take them out and give my eyes a break and still be able to see, because without contact lenses or my glasses, I'm not legally supposed to be able to drive. So I always try to make sure I have that backup. Well, my doctor was pleasantly surprised that my prescription actually improved, and I actually had a stigmatism on one eye. Well, that stigmatism is completely gone. So it was kind of strange because one contact was kind of bigger than the other one, but now they're both the same size, and they're actually both the same improved prescription. So that is amazing, even though they're not completely normal. That was something that I wasn't expecting, nor was the doctor expecting, that my vision had actually improved. So that was just amazing. Unbelievable. He said it's very rare that that happens. So I was just tickled pink, thinking, yeah, if you only knew how much other health problems I had, because I didn't tell him all the other stuff that I've been going through. You didn't ask, so I don't tell. That's just kind of how it is. So, but we just stay to ourselves. Quite pleasant, quite peaceful. No drama, no nothing, just stay home. I mean, we've even haven't been to our local church. Now, we do have a couple of churches that we watch online, a couple of church families that we actually know, but it's been quite peaceful. just staying home and catching up with things around here, getting projects done, and really getting a lot of stuff done. We do have some major projects coming up, and I will share those a little later. I have footage of that, but you know, sometimes it's best just to keep your major projects to yourself and just keep working. But I am recording stuff as we go along so we can share it with y'all. I think you're going to be quite surprised. I know some probably will be. But we're doing pretty good. Just getting ready for the hurricane season. There's lots of stuff that, you know, up north people do to prepare for winter. And we do a lot here in the south to prepare for the hurricane seasons. So I have 2 fans that are rechargeable. And for the life of me, I cannot figure out where I'll put those 2 fans because they're rechargeable. And let me tell you, when the power goes out, those little tiny fans, I think they're 6" by 6", they work amazing just to have a little bit of airflow, just like with the fan here for the animals. Let's see. It kind of blows across, so the rabbits get it. The chicks get a little bit of it, but not a lot. And I hear the water bottles over here starting to pop because they are shrinking just a little bit, defrosting. But as you can see, they absolutely love it. They lay right down beside it to stay cool. So I'll be back on here before you know it. I hope everyone else is staying safe. I hope everyone else is preparing. Stay prepared and don't believe this that there's no reason to be prepared or continue preparing. A lot of people think it's summertime and they let their guard down. Don't do that. Keep prepping, keep preparing, and keep providing and doing for your family. And just keep doing the best that you can. No, I can't turn it around, but I'll do this. So I see so many people, you know, giving in to well, everything's okay now, so we can just stop prepping and stop preparing. Don't do that. Just keep doing what you love to do. You know, it's just like these chickens. Did I need more chickens? No, I didn't need more chickens. But these chickens bring me so much pleasure. And they are so cool. I love watching them. I enjoy watching them grow up. Me too, again. I never thought to make them a swing. And it's just been so entertaining and so much fun to watch them swinging all the time. And, you know, just do what you love and don't worry about what everyone else is doing. And don't compare your life to what others are doing. Just stay focused and stay the course and keep going and do what you love to do and what you like to do and what brings you pleasure and what brings you happiness. So just keep on prepping and keep on doing what you're doing. There's going to be good days, there's going to be bad days, there's going to be hard days, but just stay the course. So that's it for now. So I guess I'll let y'all go and I'll quit chatting. So I know some of you are pleasantly happy to hear from me and some of you probably aren't. But have a great day. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.